have any. You asked for a part 2. Well, we're giving you a part 2. This time I'm going to sneeze as many times in a row as I can on demand, okay? As I've only done like twice, so let's see how this goes. Look around. There is like nothing in the room that can make me sneeze. No pepper.
My closet.
And then, oh yeah. No pepper. No, I'm not allergic to anything, so that's not gonna make me sneeze. Nothing. Okay. Here we go.
How was that, Vittoria?
I have so much snot.
Here, have another Kleenex.
Thank you. You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.